What is the fastest FizzBuzz for an arbitrary number if you don't have to print to the console? I wrote an article on dev.to that you can read in the description, but I'll summarize some optimizations here. Starting with the simple chained if statements, you can optimize it with conditional adds based on if the number is divisible by 3 or 5. This, however, is slightly slower than using nested if statements, possibly because the CPU or optimizer knows how to optimize this more. An even faster result is possible by using multiplication instead of conditional adds, though this only works if true is 1 and false is 0. The fastest way by far, however, is by using arrays and indexing based on modulo 15. Memory for time trade-offs are often worth it, so a tip in general is to use arrays or caches if it makes sense to, and then remove them later if you need to. This is my first video like this, but if you'd like to see more, please subscribe or comment. Also tell me if I did any mistakes or missed any algorithms. I did not test any of these functions before benchmarking them.